let's go to work. Okay, so a customer of mine phones me up. They've had a plumber around and he can't fix this. He's put a new rad on, he's got 2 leaks and he's flooded the place over 2 days. He's only fitting 1 radiator. Pretty rubbish soldering. Even worse, anyway, that he didn't get it fixed and left them without any heating. Anyway, so we've got a test rig, little piece of 15mm there with a cap on it. Got a nice bubbling leak at the end. And no surprise, we got a second one on the tee. Nothing on the top section. So clearly there you can see he just hasn't put enough heat on it, or he's just cocked it up, God knows. Clear gap. So we've got an eco-freeze Rothenberger freezing 2 15mm flow and return pipes. The top one goes to the radiator. We're going to reuse that, and the one on the right is the section that we've taken out where he goes up, down, up, down. 2 caps, both on the same pipe, so the other one's live. And you can't understand why he's got water coming out the one on the right hand side, because it's flowing around the towel rail in the bathroom and coming back through that one. Donut. Anyway, pull the cap off and we're live. Okay, get the cap off, so one open end. But frozen. The audible noise in the background denotes that it's frozen. So we're cutting the olive off, cleaning it up with a bit of Scotch-Brite. We'll take the tail out, load of muck in there. It's a second-hand radiator he's fitted. Moved it from one person to another. Nice. What's for lunch? So, olive cutter on the top one. He's made a right old crimp up on this one. Jesus, how much tighter can you get? Look at this. Look how deformed the pipe is when I get my hand off it. But we're in luck, because we've got to cut that tail down a bit. It'll go down a bit more once the clamps are off the mat. The eco-freeze. Tighten up the tails, tighten up the, make sure the valve's turned off, because when that opens up, guess where it's going to come out? Where my right foot is. Oh, let's swap around the clamps, why don't you? We'll pull that one off. Now we've got a live pipe, unfrozen. Nah, you're okay. Come on, live dangerously, boys. So we'll cut the other side with the olive cutter. Take that off. And then it was a right pain to get the pipe slice in there. So I used the pair of grips, spun that round, still wasn't easy. And the last bit, after it was scored, I just snapped the pipe and got a clean cut on it. Don't know why I keep those Nipex grips. I hate them. Maybe because they were 50 quid. They lock up around a 15mm pipe and they won't unlock. Whatever you do with a clip. Anyway. So I've got to go out to the van, so a couple of pipe covers on there. Sorry, stop ends. Turn the heat on. So now we're going to defrost the ends. You'll see it defrost and then we're good to go. Full ball fix there, so I can at least stop the bleeping. That's the final job. That's the eco freeze, electric pipe freezing. So the astute of you will know the one on the left is the return, the one on the right is the flow, but they're both on. Snap spindle. That was the job before. Good luck.